County, Wayne County, Michigan. The National Weather Service Detroit, Pontiac has issued a flood warning for the lower Rouge River in Inkster and Dearborn. From now until further notice, at 11 a.m. Saturday the stage is 6.2 feet and rising. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast is to rise above flood stage by after midnight tomorrow and crest around 11.0 feet tomorrow morning. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 10.5 feet on April 20th, 2013.